Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use your mobile for mental health support. So you're gonna download this application called Empathy. You're gonna open it, and in here you can talk to this application which has AI conversations or something like this. So you can tell them your problems and describe them about your days, and they will like listen to you and give you advices and try to make you feel better. You can talk and you can type, and here are common conversation topics at the bottom part of the screen. I'm waiting for this to load so I can use this application. So I'll be back when the screen loads. So in here you can chat and tell him the things about your day, or you can simply click on common conversation topics and select one of these, and it will respond you back with a good answer that can help you. You can also use your voice to chat with this AI, and this is the answer I got. You can also click on the top part, on the left part of the screen in this settings, and here you can enter your progress. After you have used this application for many days, you can track your wellness score and your progress within days, weeks and months. So this is how you can use mobile apps for mental health support.